Okay, this truck is an 09. It's got a knock in the engine, but I haven't tried starting it. Mechanic came out and looked at it, said it started up, so we're going to try starting it. It does have a knock. It's got decent oil pressure actually. So I don't know if that's an engine issue or if it's an injector. Of course, it does have a check engine light on. Does have a low coolant light on. ABS lights on. It probably load on a truck, but again, it looks like it's got decent oil pressure. It idled. It does have the regen system on, so again, I don't know if it's an engine or if it's an injector or something to do with the emissions. It's running.